who is here.
Where are we exactly?
Well, we're actually in Belgrade at this point. We're just boarding our flight to go to Maldives. And we're flying via Istanbul, which is a little bit like scary because of everything that happened like the other night. But they said that everything is fine. The airport is like working normally, so hopefully our flights won't be delayed or anything. And we're gonna get there really, really safe. Do you have anything to say?
You like my
Photos, please. I love that sweatshirt. You're gonna be warm, definitely.
Oh,
Thank you.
gracias.
Banacqua.
Banacqua silver. The water is like nothing I've ever seen. So clear. Like, look, you can see every little rock. There's a rock, there's a rock, there's a rock. I don't even care what it is. Cheers!
morning, guys. Oh, I need to put lipstick. So it's 9 a.m. here, which is 6 a.m. for you. We're just getting ready to go. Yeah, we're just getting ready to go to the breakfast. I'm super hungry, I don't know why, and I cannot wait to eat, but yeah. Take photos, and of course this happened, amazing weather. So we decided to have, well, she's having a cocktail and I'm having just like iced tea. So
this is strong.
Oh, when she says it's strong, it's strong. I'm gonna have this.
This is it. Zoe's boyfriend didn't want to come because it was going to rain, and then when we got here, I sent him this voice message being like, "Oh, big mistake."
She has such a nice outfit on.
Yeah, thank you. It's very cool.
I have mine here, but I'm too lazy to put it on. Guys, rain finally stopped like after 3 hours, so we're going to the beach to shoot.
Yep.
Yep.
She said.
Yep. So I have another swimsuit that I'm gonna shoot, and I have sunglasses that I'm gonna shoot.
Where are you gonna change?
On the beach. Like there is no one here. Like it's a full resort though, but there is like no one that you can see. Like it's just, I don't know. It's crazy.
Hey guys, how nice is Zoe? She made new friends. Go Zoe! Do they like the photo? I wonder if they like it.
Should we do one half body in this and then I'm done with this outfit? This is gonna
Wait,
be fun.
you want a half body in Ryan's t-shirt?
Hi Ryan! It's going to rain like later today, but should we go this way? But look how bright it is right now. Look at this watercolor.
Oh, hey! See, you guys, she went in. She went in. You went in. I'm quite confident that I will.
I'm quite confident I'm not even going to try.
Quite confident what? I'll do it for you.
Gone fishing. Not too excited about it.
I am.
So apparently there is a shark somewhere here.
There's a shark. Where is the shark? Oh, thanks.
Shark all time nuggets.
He saw a shark.
Shark.
Yeah. But I think it was specific. Like, I think he specifically saw a shark. I don't know what the hell these are for.
Your English is ridiculous.
I think it's to touch the worms.
I'm not doing that.
You're touching a
I'm
worm.
not
You're touching a worm.
I'm not fishing. Like
Yes. We have to
I'm
fish.
just gonna film you, and I'll be perfectly happy with it.
You have to catch a fish.
That's not gonna happen.
Fine, if I catch a fish, they're gonna cook it and you're gonna eat it.
No.
restaurant, but not a fish I cook. Do we have an update on the shark? I think they're fucking with me. Do you? Did you know where the shark is? Yeah. Are you fucking with me? Hey.
Get the fish in your hair.
A what?
Short time.
We have a short time, yeah, we know. We missed the whole appointment. What? What do you need me to do? I'm ready to fish. Do you know what I call fishies? You know what fishy stands for?
No.
No. It's a bathroom term. I have to go fishies. Hey, is there really a shark or not? Is there a shark? Where? Can you show it? Could we jump in here?
Yeah.
We could.
This is
And if-
some
I
days-
didn't sign any paper, so I didn't. Did I? No.
No.
You did. I'm good.
I didn't sign anything about sharks and swimming. Or boats or water. So.
Hey, are they fishing? I thought I was gonna fish. I'm ready.
Oh my god. I told you so.
No, it'll be so exciting if I get one. This is old school. Like, we don't even have a rod. We're just bare hands, gloves, and string. This is like how Huckleberry Finn used to do. Free rods. We just need a net. Hey, am I gonna feel the fish? I don't have one. I'm just asking. Did I get one? I got one. Oh no.
Please catch this line little bit heavy going, okay?
Will it pull me in?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What do we do when we get them? Throw them back? Babe, are you gonna fish?
No.
Why? Wait. Hold on. I have one. Guys, I got one! Guys! I have it!
No fish.
What do you mean? It's
Corn
cool.
case. This line very big down corn case.
She got her fishy.
I got one! He's so cute! But
I
we're gonna
feel
put
so
him back
bad,
because
yeah.
we love him. He's so pretty.
Bye, fishy.
Okay. Here, guys.
Oh
He
my
died, huh? Did he die?
No, not really.
Hey, it's raining. We got nothing else to do. Let's go swimming! What?
I'm trying to take the sand off. Isn't it pretty, guys?
It's beautiful. We don't want to leave. We're not for a while, so.
Morning, guys. Well, it's not morning. It's technically 3 p.m. But we woke up super late. This one didn't sleep all night. I did, but I had like a NyQuil because I didn't feel well. So yeah, I ended up sleeping almost 12 hours. So now we're shooting because the sun is finally out. Like maybe not on this side. I'm gonna show you later. And we already did like 3 outfits, and now we're gonna do 2 more. Today we're gonna have sunset cruise. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. And maybe we're gonna book some spa treatments. Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July, America. America.
America, happy 4th of
America.
July! Peace out! So guys, we're going on a little sunset
You
cruise.
are in such a good mood.
I am!
Should I put on sunglasses? What do I look like?
Oh, this is gonna be a good selfie. Should we do it?
No. I need glasses.
So we're going on a little cruise on the same boat that we were yesterday fishing. Well, she was fishing.
I got 3 fish. Hey, did you film it for them?
Yes.
Did you film when I actually pulled it out of the water?
I think I did.
Good.
So we're gonna let you know very, very soon what's happening. So what we think is, well, Bridget is gonna say your dad, but we have this romantic setup, like two, what's lazy bags, like, I believe, and then we're looking at sunset. Guys, this is heaven on earth.
We're live from our lesbian sunset cruise. So we think everyone here is on a honeymoon, so we kind of think they think we're lovers. And I do love Zoe, don't get me wrong, but this is next level. So anyway, look, we're like laying on this. This is like the most comfortable thing I've ever
It's like a
sat.
lazy bag.
Yeah, but a lazy bag? A lazy bag. Oh, we call it a US bean bag. Makes more sense what you call it. Hey, check out the sunset. And notice that, oh wait, it's on me. There's no one else in the world. Lesbians only, no boys allowed. And how does the sun set here? Like, what is it gonna...
I'm gonna film it, but we're going straight to the like lousy weather.
Right to the store.
So nice weather over there, and we're going right to the store. So bear with us. Okay, guys. So see how the ocean is like completely flat at this point, and then over there, like there are huge waves, and like there is no boats there or anything. So we have a theory that here must be like either sharks or whales.
It's whales. Oh my gosh. If I see a whale, I'm gonna die. I'm not scared of everything like you, but whale can just like eat this whole boat in one bite. You know?
Like literally, it can be that little fish that you like
Are
caught
you scared of
yesterday.
that?
Yes. Like
Why? That fish can do nothing to you.
with that thing?
Are these whales?
I'm not sure.
I don't have
I'm
the
sure
internet. I want to Google if whales
I'm
are
sure it's like it's either like a shark or a dolphin. I think we're gonna see dolphins in that other resort.
I'm less scared of obviously a dolphin. And are you scared of dolphins too?
I was swimming with dolphins in Dubai.
But you're scared of a fish.
Yes, I don't like fish.
Okay, but there's a difference between you don't like and you're
No, I'm
scared of.
scared. Like in Dubai, I saw like this tiny little like she was like this big, literally. I couldn't go. Oh, there is.
Oh, I was just about to say it should be illegal to not have some wine.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're not dating. But we appreciate it.
Okay, we have juice also. You like
No.
this?
No, yeah. Thank you. When there are big waves, is that because of a whale? Are there whales here?
Well, sometimes.
You say it like it excites you.
Thank you.
When there are big waves like this, is that a whale?
No.
A shark?
Shark also sometimes.
But they make the waves, or is that just the wind?
Shark is the nearby island.
Oh, sharks are by the island. Oh, good to know. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers to my lovely.
You want more drinks?
Yeah, you can leave it.
Okay.
You can just leave the bottle with me. Thanks.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
You want a picture?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Bye, guys.
This guy was actually the only guy that can understand us.
Yes. Even me. He even understood me. They all understand Zoe. I think she like. I don't know what's going on.
Because your English is like super fast, and it's like when Dee speaks Italian, like you can understand the shit out of him. Like,
Oh, we talk about him now.
well,
Oh, guys, you're getting the information.
it's not a whale thing, but yes, I'm scared of everything. Like, I don't like water, I don't like ocean, I don't like sea, but I love the beach, so it's like a weird thing.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get her swimming. This is my goal of the trip. To get swimming in the sea and what else?
Okay, this is fruits and cannabis.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Okay, take it. Whoopsie doopsie.
Okay,
Okay.
that is salmons and chicken
Okay.
and fruits.
Oh, what is it?
Salmon and chicken.
Salmon and chicken.
I think everything should be here, cause yeah.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
And we got the fruit. Yay! Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, we're leaving this resort and we're going to another one. So we're a little bit sad because this one was perfect.
Amazing.
But I can't wait to see the other one actually.
Yeah.
Guys, it is so perfect here, like it's ridiculous. So there is an infinity pool. We weren't in this part like a lot, but yes, how amazing is this? Aww. Are you sad?
I'm thankful.
Guys, yeah. We just had the
My
worst
laptop
speedboat.
is in there. Do you think I should take it out or is it fine?
We just had the worst speedboat drive ever. Like, we were supposed to be driving for 45 minutes. We got here like in 25.
I'll just take
It was
it out.
the bumpiest and just like it was ridiculous. I had like 5 panic attacks, like full on. Dog. So now we're gonna take a plane to another Coco resort.
I don't know the name.
Me neither. Coco Palm something. So yes, we'll keep you updated.